Looking to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level? Look no further than the Ninja Woodfire Pro 7-in-1 grill and smoker. This innovative outdoor grill combines the convenience of electric power with the rich, authentic flavor of real wood pellets, giving you the ultimate grilling experience right in your backyard. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Unleash your inner grill master. With the Ninja Woodfire Pro, you can do it all: grill, smoke, BBQ, bake, roast, and broil with 100% authentic smoky flavors. Whether you're cooking up steaks, burgers, ribs, or veggies, this grill has you covered. Authentic smoky flavor every time. Powered by Ninja Woodfire technology, this grill infuses your food with rich, smoky flavor you can see and taste. Say goodbye to bland, boring BBQ and hello to mouth-watering meals that will impress even the pickiest eaters. Foolproof BBQ smoking. Create authentic BBQ bark and flavor fast and easy with just 12 cups of pellets. With the built-in thermometer, you can monitor your food's progress and ensure it cooks to perfection every time. Versatile cooking options. In addition to grilling and smoking, the Ninja Woodfire Pro also functions as an outdoor air fryer. Add smoky flavor to your air-fried favorites and cook all your side dishes outdoors for a complete outdoor cooking experience. Convenient and easy to use. Forget about charcoal, propane, or flare-ups. The Ninja Woodfire Pro is electrically powered and apartment-friendly, so you can enjoy outdoor cooking without the hassle. Plus, it's weather-resistant, so you can cook and store outdoors year-round. Upgrade your outdoor cooking game with the Ninja Woodfire Pro 7-in-1 grill and smoker and experience the ultimate in flavor and convenience. With its versatile cooking options, authentic smoky flavor, and easy-to-use design, it's the perfect addition to any backyard barbecue. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.